Hello everyone. So I was playing with my D menu, and I'm not really sure if you have seen my video. In case you're new to my channel, if in case you're new to my channel, I use D menu along with ST terminal and DWM. And great thing about these circless utilities is that you can customize a lot of these things you can actually make your desktop the way you want it to behave. So it will follow all your orders, and you will be super productive. And one such thing is basically storing my colors. Now I deal with colors quite a lot because if I'm, let us say, if I'm making some graphics, or if I'm maybe doing some basic editing in GIMP, or I am, let us say, creating a thumbnail. Now, I don't really have like a lot of colors. I don't really use colors randomly. I have some colors that I want to repeat and keep on using. And basically what I do, I have this file which I access using D menu. So basically I have this list where if I type here, let us say GIMP, I can see that there is one hex file, which, not hex file, this color file, which will of course open, and it will let me select the color for GIMP and then use it somewhere. For example, I can now use it maybe in my Emacs, or maybe in my thumbnail. Now the thing is that when I'm dealing with these colors, I sometimes need to look at the colors as well. So basically I need to see the actual color, and for that, of course, I open the file, and when I open the file, the colors.txt file, I can see these colors straight away in my Emacs. Now, some of the, let us say if you're doing some CSS, so some of the modes will have basically this facility, this capability to also show the color visually. But if you're working on a text file and you don't, of course, it is just a text file, it is not a CSS file, you can also install this package called rainbow mode. So basically this package is very simple. You just need to install it from the Melpa, and whenever you're looking at a file where you need to see the colors visually, you can actually use this mode to basically you can of course enable it in your init file based on the format of some files. Maybe enable it by default, I guess, but for all the text files, for me, I just do it using the command, and it is actually super useful. And as you can see, when I'm looking at any color, any hex color, or if I have to, let us say, create a color or check, because I know those hex codes which I use often. For example, I know that 575757 is gray, and there is also this color which is again A7, 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 which is another shade of gray. So I use these colors because I used to develop a lot of websites and used to do basic graphic designing, and having this capability within Emacs is super useful. All right, that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, short video, and you also learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.